Hello everyone, I am Sumini Ranjan. We will see a cot set rayon fabric. We will see different print. We will see different print designs. We will see chiffon fabric dupattas. I am shade. This is an abstract floral print. This shade is a dusty tone, skin and peach color combination mix. Color combination. I have powder blue, midnight blue combination. Top A-line pattern one side, two side pocket without side slit. Neck full round collar pattern. Back loop and button design. Sleeves additional available. Short sleeves fabric available. Bottom parallel pattern same fabric waist full round elastic design. This is a print. This is a blue shade, ink blue shade. This is floral botanical prints. Same design. Bottom is same print. Next design is jet black. This is a block print design. This is digital print pattern. Bottom is parallel same fabric. We have designs sizes small to double XL available. If you order place size chart cross check the size correct size purchase. This is chiffon dupattas. This design off-white base shade floral pattern. We have inquiry in this design. We restock this floral pattern. Blue shade. This is full light mirror work. All over. Tassels. We have colors available. This is copper shade brown combination. Color. Purple pink combination. Next shade is charcoal grey and brown color combination. Last one is olive green light and darker tone. This design is a bandhani style digital prints. Full light plain end pattern. Color different colors print. Mirror work and tassels. Next color is blue shade. Ink blue tone. Same pattern. This shade is reddish maroon. This is jet black. This shade is golden yellow. This is midnight blue. Bottle green. This last shade is beige tone. These colors are available. In the product, you can purchase our website www.dctclothing.store. Thanks for watching.